Yeah. Oh, shit. Yo, let's go. Oh, whoa. Get it, boy. Ooh, one hand, I like it.
Attention. The following video includes AI-generated clips of stunts that are not to be attempted in real life. This video is for educational purposes only. Enjoy.
What's going on today, everybody? Got you a new video today. We're riding some streets on the pitters, me and my cousin. We're gonna get into some shenanigans today. Yes, sir. How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing good. Had a good last week. I've had a pretty good week. Beautiful day out today. Nice old 45 degrees, and me and Cuzzo just decided we should get out, do some wheelies on the pitters. Woo! There we go. Excuse me. So the name of the pitter game when you're on the streets is kind of lay low. So we're going to be on these back streets tearing these things up. And it's pretty chilly out today anyway, so we're going to be going slower on some less busy roads. But less busy roads are where you want to ride these things anyway. Yeah, road closed. They got her closed down today. No riding for us. I don't feel like being that much of an asshole today. Let's go. Oh, not over to the left. Man. We're getting better though, we're getting better. No, it's cold as hell. I'm just glad we ain't got no snow on the ground anymore. It's relatively dry. Boop. I love my private road. Private roads are the best. See if we can get the corner. Oh, I slowed down so much, there ain't no way. Yeah. Oh, there he goes, he got it. Yo. Yo. Trails. Whoa. I don't know if you guys can see very well. I won't stay here for very long. Shit, what? Some nice single track right off the road. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and hop back on. Yes, sir. I don't know why I was looking for cars like this road ain't closed. Never know. There's always some people nowadays just paying no attention to road closed signs. It's like they don't even care. Boop. It's crazy. Just cruising this thing, man. This thing is so much fun. I see what all the hype's about. I really do. Yes, some roadblock. Ooh. Some circles going. Yes, sir. Alright. Ooh. Yes, sir. Excuse me. Oh shit, that scared the fuck out of me. What's up, dude? What the hell? What the fuck is that? Road's closed, sidewalk ain't. Oh, hell yeah. Yo, Nate, let's go. There we go. Chop that thing, old son. Yes, sir. There we go. Oh, nope. Let's go. Damn. I need to learn how to turn it. That's what's holding me up right now. I think I got the straight line okay, other than my slowing down issue. Ooh, I can definitely make that.
Did that bitch second?
Oh, I almost made it. I almost made it. Oh, yes, sir. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we outdoors with it, baby. Yeah, I'm gonna go off this sick little hill, or this sick little wall. It's gonna be so cool. Wow. Damn. Oh, that was really a dick move. Oh, that's a dick move. Don't do that. Try to put it back. Damn, if anything, we just, you know, kind of mulched up their mulch. Know what I'm saying? There we go. Oh, that's mud. Oh. Man, this one thing's made for these little alleys, dude. This thing rips. I don't want to rip through that. Yeah. Stairs. Yes, sir. He hit the stairs. Look at the minion! Look at the minion! Can you take a picture with me in front of that? Yeah. Okay. Hey, they got purple gate. They got the grimace gate. Got the grimace gate. Yes, sir. Why am I? Okay, there we go. Yep, let's go this way. Yep. No, let's go to the left. Let's go to the left. No. Ah. Man. Oh, shit, man. Damn, we could probably ride out on that. Oh, never mind. I thought that was sand. That's just fucking ick. I thought that was sand. That's just ick. Ew. Never mind. There we go. Ah. Damn, they trashed this up. I don't know who did this. It's really disrespectful to my spot here. Man, what a bunch of fucking dickheads. Probably just threw their shit off the bridge. What a bunch of fucks, dude. Damn, there wasn't this much water last week. It was all snow. It. Yeah, get my bike all muddy. Hate a dirty dirt bike. Ain't nothing worse, man. There you go. Let's go. I'm gonna drop it back a little if I can. Oh. Oh, no way. I just carved that corner, low-key. Ooh, I'm cold. I'm cold. Yeah. See, you get this corner. I like hitting this one on the 250 back in the day. Yo, let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Damn, I wish I was in third gear. There we go. Ah, hit that little bump, brought me down. Come on. Get up here, big dog. Ah. There we go. He's getting it. Yes, sir. Yeah, drop that thing back. Yeah. Dude, hit that downshift. Damn, he slowed it all the way down. This shit's so fun, man. It's like the best bike ever. I don't even want to buy a big bike. I don't even want to buy a big bike anymore, to be honest. I'm still gonna, but like, damn, I'm having so much fun on this thing. Like, why even? Little second gear. Little improvement from last week on the second gear. I need to practice that more. And it's like that I'm living, I'll probably make it through the night. This shit is so sick, bro. I love this so much. This is awesome. Yeah! I love it! Yo! Hell yeah! You got her, big dog. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way he just ate shit like that. Oh my god, I'm dead as fuck. I'm so dead. He just ate some. Bro, man, that poor guy. I seen him go off to. I'm like, oh, he's done. Oh, there's a little someone's house. That ain't too bad. Damn, imagine rolling off in the middle of the night and you end up in the river. Let's get off this man's front yard. Dude, that guy really ate shit like that, bro. That was fucking hilarious. Oh, he about bit it. I seen in the look in his eyes, bro. He about bit it. That jump has claimed some lives, man. Let me tell you. Not really, not like some lives, but that jump's got some bodies to it for sure. Get a little circle in the water. Yeah. Oh shit, I about fell. Dang, it would really suck to loop out in water. Not only do you loop and wreck your bike, you fucking get wet. That sucked. What you got there? A little lighter? Does it work? Man, I just seen a spark. Bro, it's a good lighter. There you go. Keep it a good thing. Thing's good. It sparked. Yeah, there you go. Put it in your bar bag there, fella. Sick. There. That's pretty nice. That's pretty sick. Bro's on my ass. Damn, you know we gotta hit the motherfucking bridge deal. I'm gonna keep her in first. I've never done it on a 110. This is kind of scary. Whoa. Damn, that's kind of scary on a 110. You gotta lean so far forward. Alright, where do we go now?
I don't know.
I'm telling you guys, if you guys are debating whether you should buy a 110 or not, you absolutely should. This is like the most fun some of the most fun I've had on a bike in a long time. And I'm not saying that just because I don't like have a main bike anymore, but this is like legit fun. I just need to learn how to keep it up for as long as I really want to, like I kind of could with the 250. Just ain't got much power. Come on. Ooh, I got to stay up. That was nice. Couldn't do it again though. Yeah, I was actually able to like yank the bike back up while it was like trying to go down. That was kind of sick. Oh no, he's trying to he ain't gonna get me, boy. I used to run these motherfuckers on the 250. You ain't gonna get me, I promise. Oh, there we go. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Ooh, one hand, I like it. Ooh. That was pretty good. This is so fun, man. But yeah, I got a couple parts at my house right now for the bike. I got some new plastics, new graphics, a new seat cover. The bike's gonna get a makeover here real soon, so expect that coming here in either the next video or video after that. But I'm very excited for that. It's gonna look very good. Not that it don't look good now, but it's gonna look even better. Look forward to that coming up. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, oh no! We didn't get none on the GoPro. Oh, I think you're good. That got me so bad. Look at the front.
Oh, my bad.
You got me so bad. Yeah, sick wheelie, bro. Appreciate it. I'm glad you're learning. What's this? Oh, sick. No way. That's fucking sick. I never knew that was there. Yeah. It's the spot. Come on. There's no way he's coming. If y'all remember, we took the 250 down here a couple times. Mostly recently, right before it got stolen. The last time I ever rode it, I took it down here. So let's hope the 110 ain't gonna share the same fate. Let's hope we can ride this thing again. Taking her like a champ, even though this is the concrete part. I don't think that's gonna work. Yeah, might just have to turn around here. I think we can make it.
I'll follow.
Alright, cool. We're just going anyway. You don't want to go in front of me?
Sure.
Alright. Yeah. Yeah, this ain't that bad. I feel way better about doing it on knobbies than I did on sumos. Oh, yeah, here's where it's deep. Oh, shit, it's above my fucking boots. What happened to you?
I didn't want to get wet.
Fuck yeah. That's way deeper than it was with the 250. Okay, I'm coming to help, bro. It was deep.
Fucking drug me out the swamp.
It was not that deep with the 250. Go ahead, brother.
Oh, I cased it on something.
You cased it? I don't see no oil. There he goes. Damn, now it's my turn. Shit. We're just gonna have to send it. I gotta pee really bad, and that's not helping. You gotta get back to the house so I can pee. Alright, let's go.
If everybody had an ocean across the USA, then everybody be surfing like California. You see them wearing their baggies, Huarache sandals too, a bushy, bushy bound hair, you.
Everybody go surfing, surfing USA. Oh my god. That sucked. That never goes as planned, going back there. Man, you know what really sucks is like every time I've ever done that I get my feet wet. But I'm always wearing my retros and never my work boots that I have to wear in 12 hours. That's cool. But alright everybody, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like. Subscribe if you want to. I don't really care. But moral of the story, buy a 110 and ride them around your city with your friend. Because this is the funnest shit I've ever fucking done. I hope you guys have a good time. I'll see you guys next week. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Peace. What happened to you?
I didn't want to get wet.